According to Balinese Hindu beliefs, humans consist of the gross body, badan kasar, and the subtle body, badan halus and karma. The gross body is formed from 5 elements called Panca Maha Bhuta. These 5 elements unite to form the human body and are moved by the Atma, the soul. When a human dies, only the gross body dies, while the Atma does not. For the Balinese people, the Ngaben, cremation ceremony, returns the elements that make up the gross human body, Panca Maha Bhuta, to their origin. Ngaben is also a form of honor for the family left behind when the souls of the deceased are released from the worldly bonds to await reincarnation. Bade, ceremonial tower, and Lembu, wooden ox, are 2 important elements during the ritual. After completing the ritual, the Lembu is set on fire, sending the deceased off to their next life. Through Begawan's Cultural Heritage Program, we document the unique local cultural activities to give people a deeper insight into the practices and the history